Hey there, YouTube. What's up? Big Stack McGee here. It's Monday morning on April 15th, and I just wanted to talk a little bit about what's been going on in the precious metals market since last night. When the European market opened, boy, the price just crashed down. I'm sure you're aware where things are at right now. Silver's at $23.61 at spot, which is everyone has been saying it's been in decline. We've kind of seen the regression coming. Of course, everyone tries to pick where the bottom is and all that kind of business. But there's a clear sell-off today, and you look at the newspapers, you look online, you look on even the precious metals forums, and what do you see? You see panic. The sky is falling and all of this business. And I want to talk a little bit today about perspective. It's always about the way that you look at things. If you are someone that dumped a lot of money into precious metals because you wanted it to appreciate in value and then sell off in a month or a couple months or a year, this is a horrible time for you right now. I totally get that. Most of the people that are probably watching my channel are not in that vein, although it's important to understand that many of us have investing backgrounds and we kind of think that way. For any of you out there that have purchased stocks recently, you watch, and if it gets to that price level that you are satisfied with and you sell off and you basically get more capital to buy some other undervalued stock and do the same thing and repeat the process, or the reverse of that, you're out there shorting stocks or things like that because you're able to read the market in a certain way and react. Well, folks, stacking silver, that's not the best thing to be doing. And number one, precious metals are probably among the more volatile commodities that are out there. Unless you're an absolute expert, it's impossible to be able to read on a short-term basis exactly what's going to happen. But for silver stackers that believe in the solid fundamentals of what the precious metals represent, buying opportunities are what we're looking for. So my perspective today on this Monday morning on April 15th is this is like Black Friday after Thanksgiving. When you got fistfuls of cash and you run into the big box stores because you want to get that big screen TV you've had your eye on, and you want to buy it on a massive sale and something you wouldn't normally do, and now you're going to do it because it's this great opportunity. Well, that's what this is to me. This is a great opportunity. I wasn't planning on making another purchase so soon. I just did last week. But my normal purchase, which I would have done probably in about a week or two, I decided to move up a little bit and kind of jump on this opportunity. And so I just made an order at Monarch Precious Metals, and I was able to get one of their really nice hand-poured 10-ounce bars for massive sale, $250. I never would have imagined I'd be able to do that anytime soon, even as of a couple days ago. But here I am. I was able to buy that and several of their generic rounds that they had priced at about $1 over spot. And so, out the door, I'm walking out with 15 ounces of silver for today. I paid $370 for that. Whereas if I would have bought it even a couple weeks ago, you're paying more like $500 for it. So big sale, guys. Unfortunately, the Monarch, all the poured bars are absolutely gone right now. And this is, I'm making this video here half an hour after I purchased. But I'm assuming there's a pretty big run on all the other online companies that are selling precious metals. But my advice to you today is, if you have the scratch to be able to put together and make an order, it might be a great time. Could it go down more tomorrow? Sure it can. It absolutely can. Can it even go down way more by the end of the day? Of course. But to me, it's an opportunity, and that's my perspective, and that's what I'm sticking to today. So I'm stacking long term. I'm thinking of silver on a 20 to 30 to 40 year investment time of holding, and I'm not planning on selling anytime soon. So again, perspective, guys, and stack on. Have a great day.